encountered so many bugs.
He killed Kelvin again.
Dawson, I think it's doomed.
I think I can kill him, dude. I don't know. I don't think it's doomed. I think I can kill this guy just by throwing arms at him. He's a giant.
Wait, can I join your server while you're in it?
I don't think so. I
It
can't,
says
like...
I think I can. It says multiplayer servers
Join
and
it,
then
then join
continue.
it.
Okay. Actually, oh wait, I think it's working.
It better be, dude.
I really.
Where are we going? I don't know who to follow.
Alright. Alright.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
Never mind! Never mind! Never mind!
Nice.
Nice!
Put
Nice.
a fault in my pants.
Nice.
Fuck is that?
Fuck you want, because
Oh,
I
it's
hate
Kelvin.
you.
Turned into a log, man. Oh, I can still... I gotta be careful. Okay,
Yeah.
hang on. Let me open my inventory.
Wait, can you?
I can't do anything. I can't even
Okay.
save the game. Wait. Wait.
Yeah,
You
I'm gonna-
built
yeah, I'm gonna build a-
shelter.
Where'd you go?
Oh, this is
Oh.
horrifying, dude. It's like a pitch black abyss. I know, but I'm gonna drink from this dead body.
Alright. There's two of the crawly ones right there.
What? What?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, where did you go?
I'm under the map!
What? What? He just drowned.
No, he's still alive.
Wait, he's alive.
Can't
what is
get
he?
him. Yeah, that's...
Okay.
No, he's fine.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh no, he's dead. Oh, you one shot it.
What? It just started like floating.
Wait, what?
Pick it
Wait,
up.
can you?
What did you get?
5 arrows.
Bro, what?
Kill it,
Damn, bitch. That sucks.
Kill it, man.
That is so fucked up.